We're gonna go over things in a little bit.
Yeah, I'm excited for my name.
7 responses. I need like 17. So everybody, make sure that we're dialed into the warm up, please. I am currently looking at yesterday's warm up and seeing everybody's favorite thing that they learned about. A lot of dissections, which is typical.
Parker, I'm still trying to get my CPS up from 11 to 12 average to 13.
Okay, 10 responses. Still waiting on a couple.
Can you get like a 75 CPS if you drive?
Yeah.
I don't know what
Does it matter which one I use, or do I have to use a landmark?
It does not matter.
Oh, is that why you have Dunkin' Donuts? Dunkin' Donuts?
Part of it. Can somebody tell me why this looks like this?
No clue.
It's magically working.
Is it because of the lights on it?
Yeah, it's probably because of all the lights.
This has never looked like this. It's so dark.
Clean off the camera.
That's better.
Wait, no,
Mr. Day.
Is there some sort of setting for the camera?
Probably. I don't know where it is though.
It's 135.
All right, forget it. Just forget it.
Yeah, I can look at
Hey, yo, guys, guess what? The targets are much better.
Attaboy, Zach, knowing the targets.
Sorry, 1, 3, 5. Oh, yeah.
All right, Riley, Leah, Alana, Chris, Cooper, James.
Mr. Dayton, your camera's upside down.
Now
It
it looks
was.
better though. That looks. All right, have a seat, please. Thank you. Everybody in person is here. James, Leah, Riley, Alana, Brody here? No. Okay. Cooper and Carissa. All right, let's get into it then. All right. Today, it's week 38. It's Friday, June 4th. Here's the greeting, GPS, and directions. It's National Donut Day.
Is that what you have a Dunkin' Donuts?
No, it's a long story.
Can we hear the story?
It's not that long of a story. I just went to Dunkin'. I had to get donuts for my baseball team. If you have $20, why don't you just go to Dunkin'?
$20 for coffee.
What's that?
Is it $20 for a coffee?
No.
No, it's like, how much is the
A
coffee?
black coffee is probably like
Wait,
$1.50.
Mr. Day, you drink black coffee?
Typically, yes.
I only drink coffee with creamer.
You shouldn't be drinking coffee at all. You're 12.
I'm 13.
You're 13. You guys have all the energy in the world. What do you need coffee for? Okay. Anyway. Hey, it's National Donut Day, so maybe you can convince your parents to let you get donuts.
Or Dunkin' Donuts.
I'm not gonna be with my parents.
Maybe you can convince whoever's with you to let you get donuts tonight.
I'm gonna be with Eli.
All right. We got some things to get to. Targets 1, 3, and 5. Those are the targets for the lab report. That is our process today. We are completing the Marigold Lab Report because you have to turn in your Chromebooks at the end of the day today. All right. And this is the last grade that's going in the grade book unless you turn in some late work for me, which would be awesome too, by the way. Love that. Okay. And you'll know you're successful when you've finished your Marigold Lab Report and it's got all the aspects of a 3 in each of the 3 targets. Here we go. So 1, 3, and 5. And I'll look at favorite types of donuts and then what you're going to do. This is the last weekend of the school year. Can you believe it? I really can't.
Someone ranking the technical be called a long weekend.
Yeah, good call. All right, here we go. So who has the average heights graph made? Who needs help with it? Okay, get your packets out. Now I need to make sure that I have these.
Yesterday, you have a baseball game tonight?
Yeah. We do. Nice. Okay, so here we go.
Wait, you guys said about the high school?
We're in Mosinee tonight, but yes. Typical. Our home games are at the high school. Yeah, I don't know where it is. Do you have it? Is it right there?
No, we turn it in. No, it's.
Some of you might have.
I did.
Okay, here we go. Some of you should have graphs already. All right, I'm gonna quickly go through how to do this one if you haven't done it already. So here's your key. Your control needs to be one color and your variable needs to be a different color. Or you see that other word that says SYMBOL, that is symbol. A symbol is a different way to show that these are two different things. Zach, do you need this sheet?
For that sheet, I think I have it.
Okay, otherwise it's right there. Grab it because we're moving on. Nope, over there.
Over here.
Right there. Looks like graph paper. Do you have your packet?
I'm gonna look at here.
All right, you gotta move a little quicker because I'm moving.
There you go, Zach.
Please, please. All right, for example, my control is gonna be black. If you don't have a different color, if you're doing this in pencil, that's fine. You just need to make a different symbol. So for my variable, I'm gonna make it red, but I'll also do it in a triangle just to show you that you can do that as well. So my variable is a triangle. So you need to go and find the dates that you recorded in your packet. Those should have been labeled from day one, right? So one good way to do this, you could make lines straight down like this. Make them straight. If you have a ruler, this would be a great time for it. Or you could, I'm just doing this because I have confidence that I can make my lines straight enough. This is my x-axis, correct? Correct. This is my x-axis. It is running horizontally or side to side, right? Okay. My x-axis, this is where it says time, aka the dates that we recorded, the data. So, right here, this first one, I would turn it sideways. The first day that we recorded data was when?
March 29th.
3/29/21 if you want to squeeze that on there. Okay, and I know for a fact on that day, my control was 0 millimeters high, and my variable was 0 millimeters high. Now it's hard to see, but I made a red triangle there too. All right, next. When's the next date that we recorded? Data. Anybody have it? Yeah, go ahead. 3:30. Did we do it the next day? I can't even remember. Yes, we did. Yep. Okay. 3:30/21. Then you would put in your average height there, right? Who has not found the averages yet? Okay, so that's what you're working on. You need to find the average heights. How do you find the average height? Yes.
You gotta divide by large the number.
Yep. How many data points there were? So if I want to find average height, hello, Mrs. Colbert. Zach Reed, where are you at? Come on down.
Happy birthday today.
Oh, hey, happy birthday. Average height of control, okay? Right? I would take the measurement. Remember, you had how many cells? How many plants did you have?
12.
Well, in your control.
Oh, 6.
6, right? So I would take the height of control 1 height, of control 2, height of 3, height of 4, height of 5, height of 6, and add those all up. Okay, so I just wrote height of. You have to actually have the height on there. Add them all up and then divide by 6. The same thing applies for average height of variable. Okay? You would do the height of 1, height of 2, height of 3, height of 4, height of 5, height of 6. So that's why every day, did I say this every day? Did I say you need to find the average height every day?
Yes.
Did some of you listen to me?
Yes.
Yes. Did some of you hear me and say, nah, I don't think I will? Yes. Are some of you now regretting that decision? Yes. Because now you're having to calculate all those averages and then make the graph and finish the rest of your lab report. Okay? Are there questions? So then I would keep going. So let's say 330, let's say we did 4, 5, and my average height was, now remember, I'm doing millimeters. Average height in millimeters. Why? Why am I doing millimeters? Well, look at this. What does this graph go up to? 100. Okay. If I did centimeters, what was the highest one that you had?
The
Yeah.
highest one that we had was like 16.
15 centimeters. So your graph would be right around here. And it goes 0 to 5 right here. And it would be hard to eyeball like where a 3 goes, where a 2 goes, right? So instead, let's say I found an average height of 2.5 centimeters. How many millimeters is that? 25 millimeters. So let's say right there. 2.5, that'd be 25. And then let's say, and I don't know because I don't have your data. Let's say you did, 3.5 centimeters for the variable. There you go. And we would connect. Does everybody understand what they have to do?
Yeah.
Then you connect these with a ruler or a straight edge so that it looks nice and neat. I go from here to here, and then here to here. Try the middle point of it. Okay. Make sure you're using the correct color. Who needs help on their conclusion today? Okay, that's what you need to work on. Everybody needs to get her done. Everything needs to get done today. And then you get to enjoy some kickball on Tuesday or Monday and Tuesday. So there's the start to my graph, and I would continue to go with the averages. Yes, Parker?
If we don't finish it today, are we able to finish it like tomorrow?
How are you going to do it without a Chromebook?
What if I use like my dad or my mom's laptop?
Sure, but some people don't have that ability at all. What happens if you don't ever turn it in? What's going to happen?
Oh,
You
but
would
it's
get,
an NE that dropped the grade.
you would get 3 NEs. Target 1, target 3, and target 5, because you would turn in nothing. So how much? I would highly encourage you to get it done right now.
Yeah.
Okay, we've had since last week. So let's go. And I really want us to succeed here. So let's take a look on Schoology. Online students as well. You should, by the end of today, be totally done with the school year. So here we go. Let's look on Schoology. Example. All right. Right here at the top, this is an example of a Marigold Lab Report. This is the one that I made. right? We already did the title page, did that all together. Yes? Okay. I took you through all of these things. So all of these things should be done. All that you need to do is write your conclusion and include these graphs. Are we good there? Everybody understand? Okay, and then here's a look. Here's how you can look at the conclusion. I have the conclusion laid out for you. Remember, we all took an oath. We said, I will not copy this because it won't make any sense. Actually, that was second hour. I made them take an oath. If you copy my conclusion, is it going to make any sense?
No.
No, it says, this is my fourth paragraph. Here I will wrap everything up. That doesn't make any sense. You cannot write this for your, these are examples of what you need to do. Aiden, what's up, buddy?
So for the average, we divide by 12, right?
Nope.
6.
For the average height of the control, I have 6 control plants. Yes? So I would divide by 6. Here's what I'll tell you. Right now, I would work on your conclusion, get that done, and then work on the graph. Okay? So everybody, work on your conclusion right now. Start typing because you're running out of time for your Chromebook. Zach, where's your Chromebook? Huh? Okay. Work on your Chromebook right now. Ooh. Sorry. Sweet. You have anything that you owe or anything you want to fix? Yeah. You guys can honestly probably just chill. You- I'll take your graphs. Great work.
How many paragraphs? do you need?
4 paragraphs in the conclusion. So if you go look at the example, here we go. I would highly encourage you to have that up. Online students, if you need help, just give a shout, please. Okay, I really want you to do well here. I'm gonna stop recording because this is mostly just work time. Yeah, anybody want some help?